guys, good to see you here today. So I'd like to share with you all what we do for today's vlogs. So anyway guys, we're here today at Venice, at the flower streets, because our work is here today in Venice. So I'm here inside the studio, one of the Airbnb that we clean, so that's why we are here today guys. And here we are, we're inside this studio here in Venice. See, I just got here, so I haven't started making the bed, so I'm just gonna tour you around the units. So we have two units we clean today, next door, one here and one next door. And my husband and I, we split the cleaning today, so we're gonna finish early today because this place here is not too bad. They really leave the place really clean, so it's gonna be a quick clean today guys. So after we finish cleaning here, we're gonna go to the beach because the beach is just a few blocks away from here. So yeah, so this is what we do today guys, and so I see you guys around. Thank you so much for coming today. Welcome guys to Venice Beach. Look at this painting right here, it's very nice. Happy Patrick's Day. we're wearing green. It's Patrick's Day today, it's holiday. I'm wearing green. Green leggings. So we're gonna walk around at Venice Beach today guys, see what's happening here today, because today is Thursday, March 17 at 1 p.m. California time. Oops. So I see you guys around. Alright guys, welcome to Venice. There's the sign of Venice. Venice Beach. Let's go walk around. We are touristing today. Starlight. Happy Patrick's Day everyone. See what's the events here today at Venice on Thursday. We're gonna go check it out. The Muscle Beach just opened a few days ago. Like there's not too many people today. There's a lot of people doing exercising, basketball. Okay, there's nothing much happening here today at Venice Beach, but over there the bulldozers are doing some work at the beach. I think they're cleaning up. I don't know what they're doing, bulldozing the sand. But first we're gonna go check out the Muscle Beach, just opened a few days ago. So if you would like to exercise, build some muscles, I guess this place will be the right for you. So come to Muscle Beach. Oh, There's some people exercising today. Muscle Beach. But you have to pay $10 to get in. If you want to do some exercising, you have to pay $10. I think it's per person. Yep, $10 to do some exercising. Muscle Beach, Venice. Yeah. Alright, so let's go walk some more. Let's see what's new. The other side of Muscle Beach. It's very nice. Looks nice. Alright guys, so now you know Muscle Beach is open, so come check it out. Do some exercise here, but again you have to pay $10 just to do some exercising. And they're doing some work here. So this is what's happening here today, Thursday, 1 o'clock, March 16, Patrick's Day here on Venice Beach. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at the signs over here. The most beautiful things in the world is of course the world itself. Pretty awesome. It's a lot of people exercising today. It's a beautiful day, but I feel hot. It's a lot of people at the beach. Fire department here, and this is here on the beach. Next to your souvenirs that you can buy here, but they're not cheap. Happy Mother's Day! We're gonna get some lunch because I'm hungry, guys. Remember before, there's a homeless there on the pavilion. No tents, but there's still homeless here. There's some churros. Homeless still are here. They're still here without tents because they're not allowed to put their tents on the beach anymore. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching here on Venice Beach. I'll see you all in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now, everyone. Take care and God bless.